everybody, this is Sherry with CPR Craft Pray Repeat, and I'm here today to show you how I put together my little bag buddies. And I already went ahead and did the eyes and the cheeks on the top of the penguin, so I'm just going to show you how I assemble the pieces. Now, I had done a penguin tag very similar to this, only I did not use a plastic little bubble for the tummy. I just used different sheets of acetate and cut out additional circles to put it together. So if you're, there is a little bit of a difference, but that's all that there is. I really have no idea where I got these little bubbles from. I've had them for a long time, and there's no name on the packaging. But I did notice that Tim Holtz came out with something that looked very similar the other day. So I was tickled when I saw his video, because then I knew that meant I could possibly get something very close to this. And all I did was measure the interior of the little bubble and then sized my SVG file to fit. And so it wasn't, anything difficult to do. It was super easy. And I did notice that the little bubble, the lip was a little wider. So with the other ones, after I did this one, this was the first one I realized that, it was a little wider. I just went ahead and duplicated the circle and made it a little larger on the exterior. I kept the interior the same size, but made it a little larger on the in the width around, so that I could make it cover the entire lip of the bubble piece. And I'll point that out in the video where I show the ones that I did, which I'm hoping to have posted yesterday. So you should be able to go back and refer to that if you have any questions. And if you want to know what size I did anything at, please just let me know, and I will definitely pull it up on my Cricut to tell you what sizes I used. And I will try to put them on the screen as well, like the diameter of the circle and all of that, so that it's easier. If anybody else wants to get this file, they can just pull it up and do it. But again, that will change based off of whatever size little bubble you have. And I just had some snowflakes and some of the stuff that resembles snow. And so that's what I put on the inside of this one. My husband had an idea, which was really kind of cute, that I could have cut out some little fish and put little fish in his tummy, because, that's what penguins would eat, which is kind of a cute idea. And I may redo the penguin, because he's the only one that I didn't do an additional, rounder tummy for, so that I covered the entire lip. So if I do that one again, I will probably go ahead and put some little fish in there. I think it would be a cute little add-on thing. And so I'm just putting my score tape around the outside. That is 1/8 of an inch score tape. And the smart thing would have been to have put that on before I added the stuff inside its tummy. But it worked out, and I didn't make a mess, anywhere, which is probably only by the grace of God, because I make a mess out of everything else. So I just go ahead and peel that off, and then put my acetate on the back. To make the little hanger, I just glue a little ribbon to it, and I cut out an extra head to cover that up so that you can't see it, but I don't show that on this video. I just show it how I assembled the little penguin. Alright everybody, I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Remember to practice your CPR Craft Pray Repeat. Thanks for visiting me today, and happy crafting. Love you all. Bye.